Hello, hello, hello. This is Garden Talk Jamaican. Beautiful day here in Austell, Georgia. I'm going to harvest my Mondak Gold potatoes. Today, I planted them on the 13th of February, I think, or around Valentine's Day. And they are a little bit overdue according to the experts. They're supposed to be harvested 110 days. So, let's see what we have. I have 7 plants. Had 8. I harvested 1. Now I've got 7 to go. So let's start with this little one over here. Let's move the mulch and see what we got. I did take a peek. Didn't look bad, some of them. So here's the first one. Not much going there, is it? One little one. Let's see if there's anything under here. Supposed to be. I think that's from that one. Let's move the mulch. Clean up some mulch. That's some mulch. A big one. Not bad. Not bad at all. I think that's from the other root though. All right. Worms. All right, now let's go to the next root then. Some little ones. They are good. Here they are. Medium sizes. Medium sizes. I expected that they would really have some bigger sizes. But that's okay. I think that came from the other root. Some medium sizes, I'd say. No really large ones. Let's go to the other root. Looks to me like we would have some. This is the original seed. See how big the original seed is? Lots of roots, but not much meat. Show me the meat. Show me the beef. Not much beef going on. Yeah. All right. A few over here. I don't see anything. No stragglers. All right now. So we have what? 1, 2, 3 roots. And this is what we have so far. This is the biggest one. Yeah. Still, I would consider that still a medium-sized potato. So from 3 roots, that's what I have so far. Okay. I'm not going to complain. Let's go on. Let's go on. Move up the camera a little bit. All right. All right. So, let's see what this one has. Maybe move the camera a little closer. Yeah. Oh, brother. Okay. Can we see this one? I think so. All right now. Camera tricks. All right. Okay. All right. So, let's figure what's under this one. Let's move the mulch. Let's see if we have some more goodies. That's a root. Look at that. The original potato is still very much intact. Look at that. I think I'm going to plant these babies again. Don't know. See what we get from them. Well, not a bad size for this one. Not too bad. Little ones. Not a huge harvest, is it? Oh, well. Let's see what this one has. Improvement. I think I see a bigger one. Here it is. Yep. Yep. And another one. Things are getting better. Yep. Not bad with this root. Yes. Move up the camera a little bit more. Yes. And see what we got here from this guy over here. Let's move this mulch. All right. Let's go to this one. I think, oh, this is from not bad at all. So far, Mondak Gold is not disappointing. Not really. It's good. All right. Let's check out this root. You could say this is the penultimate root. The second to last one. All right. All right now. Here we go. Not bad. Still, I'm not going to complain. We shouldn't complain. Nah, it's all a blessing, isn't it? It is a blessing because I have food. Oh, here's a huge one from the other. Ah, not bad, not bad, not bad. It's good, it's good, it's good. Don't we get excited when it's good? I guess we should get excited when it's not too good too. Okay. I plant my leg somewhere there. All right, let's see. All right, now. Okay, okay. All right, now, here we go. This one is spreading its wings all over the place. Let's see what we got from it. All right, now. Let's see if we can get a better view of this one. All right. Sorry, people. All that shaking off the camera. Right? Is this doing it? Okay. That's all right. I think we have a view there. This is the last one. Has a lot of little scragglers on it, don't it? Interesting though, the original potato didn't make it any further. Oh, I have a green potato! You know, saying something about green potatoes. You know, many people will say, oh, it is poisonous or it's toxic. No. If green potatoes were toxic, yeah, it may make some people sick. I agree with that. But if they were toxic and would kill you, I would have been dead long ago. I wouldn't be here talking to you. Because as a child, we ate many green potatoes. We call them grow. We would just dig them out and we would roast them. So, no. And anyway, I watch a lot of videos of Vietnamese gardeners, farmers, and they just, matter of fact, one very popular YouTube channeler about video, whatever he called herself, she eats them green like that. She just put them in the pot and eat them. The girl is not dead. The girl is very much alive, healthy and strong. So it's not true to be saying that they are toxic. We should say maybe they are toxic to some people, but not everyone are affected by them. And anyway, I wouldn't deliberately eat the green part of the potato. I will cut it off. So here, this section is green, and I'm going to cut it off. I'm not going to cook it like that. Yeah, that's common sense. Matter of fact, that's wisdom. Here's another one. and I tried to cover it. But I'm going to cut off that section too, you know. I may even try to keep it to see if I can replant it. Now I got some big roots. Interestingly, those that are closer to this side, I've got bigger potatoes, as you can see. And the harvest is a little more here. So I'm not contending with those people who say it's toxic. I'm just saying, don't just lump it all in one bag. It's toxic. Nope. If they were toxic, me, Garden Talk Jamaican, would not be alive now. Neither would my cousins and whoever else. As kids, we used to eat them green potatoes. Nah. Nope. Not to everybody. It's not a problem for everybody, I think. It might be a problem for some people. And some people, they just take it and they just run with it. Somebody say, oh, don't eat the green potatoes. They are toxic. You know what? Experience it first before you say they are toxic. Here's another one. It can make some people sick, I agree. Probably. Never made me sick. Don't make these girls in Vietnam sick. They are very much there alive. It may affect some people. Fine. Anyway, let's see what the final harvest is from these 7 roots. It's not bad at all. Let's see what it is. So, here's my final haul from 7 roots of Mondak Gold. Not bad at all. Few big ones. Yeah, quite a few big ones. Mostly average ones. And a few little tiny ones. Not many tiny ones, I'm surprised. But there are quite a few, larger size ones. But I would say comparing to the one that I planted that I got from the outfit that I got the seeds from, these are about the same size. Most of them were bigger, but this is about the size they sent me when I ordered them. So I would say that it's a good harvest from 7 roots of potatoes. And I did harvest 1 root. I had 8, and I harvested 1 root before. So this is what it is. Let's see if we can give you a closer up. Yeah. This is the harvest. 2023 Mondak Gold harvest. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. And I hope that whatever I share, it's more important to me that you get something from it and it's of help to you. That is more important. I'm not interested so much in, numbers. I'm interested in the fact that somebody gets something from it, learns something from it. What's the point if we're not learning anything? All right? Have a wonderful day and God bless you. Take care.